Okay, quick question. What if I told you that you could increase your average order value after the customer already paid something, without touching checkout, without hurting conversion, and without annoying people? That sounds great, right? That's exactly what post-purchase upsells do. And today, I'm going to show you how to set this up properly using OneClickUpsell by Zipify on Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll have one live post-purchase funnel inside Shopify that can literally make your money on autopilot. Before we do anything, we need to install the OneClickUpsell app. Go to your Shopify admin. In the left menu, click Apps. Then click Shopify App Store. Now we're gonna go to the search bar where you're gonna type Zipify OneClickUpsell or just OneClickUpsell. Then click into the app listing and go to Install. Shopify will walk you through the permission screen, so review it, then confirm install. Once it installs, you'll land inside the app setup flow. If it asks you to choose a plan, pick the plan you want, of course, and then finish the onboarding prompts. App is installed, now we can really get this going. We need to connect it to Shopify checkout. This is the #1 reason people think the app is broken. Post-purchase upsells don't work unless Shopify's checkout is pointed to the post-purchase app. So, go back to Shopify admin, open Settings, then Checkout. Scroll until you see Post-Purchase page, and then make sure to select OneClickUpsell Zipify. Save it. If you skip this step, your offers will never show. I don't care how perfect your funnel is, so this is important. Now, let's get clear on what we're building. Post-purchase upsells show up after the customer pays, but before they hit the thank you page. They don't re-enter payment information with this. They don't leave the checkout. It's literally just one click that's gonna charge them for the new product they're adding to their cart. If they say yes, it's added to the same order. If they say no, you can show a don't sell offer, usually cheaper, smaller, or more discounted. A lot of upsells are technically cross-sells, and that's fine. What matters is that the offer feels obvious to the user, not pushy. Now, product selection. This is where most people mess it up. Your upsell product should pass 4 filters, which are the following. Number 1, high margin. 2, it naturally complements what they just bought. Number 3, it's easy to fulfill, so no complicated customization or weird bundle logic. Our rule is simple. They bought X, so you offer Y that makes X work better, faster, or longer. What is a bad upsell? Offering an expensive unrelated product with 6 variants and very aggressive copy. Now, a good upsell is a refill, travel size, accessory, an add-on that makes them feel like, oh yeah, that makes sense, they pair up well together. Now, let's actually build a funnel. Let's go to OneClickUpsell and go to Funnels. Now, create a new funnel and name it something simple like bestseller post-purchase. Start with one product, one funnel, one goal. Set your trigger. This basically decides who's gonna see the offer that you're creating. So if you want more control, trigger by product. If you want scale, trigger by collection. For your first funnel, product trigger is perfect. Now, add your offers. Your first offer is the main upsell, your best add-on. If they decline this upsell, show them a downsell offer, which is either the same product at a better deal, so with a discount, or a smaller, cheaper option. If they accept, you can show one more upsell, but stop there. Make the funnel 2 steps max. When you open the offer page editor, keep it clean. 1 headline, 2 or 3 bullet points that describe the product. Add 1 product image, of course, and 1 button. And you can use copy like, for example, wait, want to add this to your order? And then you can support this with bullets that say why the product pairs well, that it ships with their original order, and that it's just 1 click they have to take to add this product. And your button should say something like, yes, add to my order. Not buy now or limited time, keep it calm, confident, and make it an easy yes. Next, targeting rules, because here relevance is everything. You want to make sure your best funnel has the highest priority as well. Don't show people an upsell for something they already bought in the same order. And once you have a few funnels live, create one simple catch-it-all funnel that runs last, just to make sure we didn't leave any products out of it. And that way, no matter what someone buys, there's always a smart offer waiting. Let's talk about optimization, because guessing is not a strategy here. Inside OneClickUpsell, you can run split tests, for example. You want to start simple, really. So you want to test one product versus another, or test 10% off versus 20% off. You could even test a benefit-led headline versus a discount-led headline. Do one test at a time so that you can really know what's moving the needle. And when you look at your stats, focus on revenue per visit, not just conversion rate, not just revenue. Revenue per visit tells you if the offer deserves to exist. Now, here's how your weekend routine should look like to make this optimize. Open the stats, keep the winners, kill the losers, and launch one new test every time. That's it. 10 minutes a week, and this is gonna give you the data you need to proceed. Finally, this gets even better when we pair it up with Klaviyo, because if someone accepts an upsell, you can send them a message, an email later on, showing them how to use a new product. This reduces refunds, increases satisfaction. If they decline the offer, you can follow up a day or two later with a software cross-sell via email, for example. And if they already bought the product, you can exclude them from promos for that product on email. Now, your upsells and your email and SMS are working together harmoniously to make you more money. Here's your assignment. Install the app, connect it to the checkout, publish one post-purchase funnel, run a test order, and then optimize weekly. Because I guarantee, once this is set up, it will compound. It will bring you more revenue. So optimize this once, and it will make you money in the long run. Well, that was it. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new about how to set up good upsell offers and how to use the OneClickUpsell app, which is the one we recommend for our clients here at ECD Digital Strategy. If you want to learn more about the world of e-commerce and how to make your store perform the best it ever has, please subscribe to our channel and make sure to watch our other tutorials that we have going on our YouTube page. See you on the next video.